Hey everyone, welcome to Earrings by Angela. We are going through our ultimate tool list and we're going to focus on crimp beads. Now, crimp beads come in various shapes and sizes, but I chose this one because I'm just going to show you how it would be used in a project. So we'll pretend like I had this bracelet, whatnot. I just want to show you how to put it on. So I'm using a scrap of wire just for demonstration, okay? So you would put the crimp bead on the wire or the tiger tail wire, which that's another video, okay? And this is going to be used to stop, okay? So this is like your period, like stop. This is as far as we go with this. I need you to stay in place. It's like I'm here to keep you in check, okay? So you put it on, and if you don't have the crimper, which I don't because I don't need it, because I have my flat nose, it's really cool. All you gotta do is place it between and give it a squeeze, just like that. It's not gonna come off, it's staying in place, okay? And then you would use a crimp cover to go over that. But that is what a crimp bead looks like. And the crimp cover just goes right over to keep this covered and make it look more professional, okay? Okay, so I decided to show you the crimp cover. So this here, let me put it here because we almost the same color. This is a crimp cover, and it looks like a little shell, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it with my cleaners, needle flat nose pliers, okay? I'm going to put it right over the crimp bead, just like this. Now I'm going to secure this with my thumb, okay? So we see how it's placed in there? It's giving it a little hug. And then all you do is you come in and you shut the door. Shut the door. It's closed. As they say, shut the front door. And you see, now it looks like a bead and it looks classy. And it's a great way to finish your pieces so that they look more professional. Especially if you're doing, strung projects like this one. I will show you an example. So this one is finished with, this is a crimp cover too. This is a clamshell, okay? But the crimp bead is inside of it, but you see how it gives it a nice finish, right? It makes it look like, okay, and then I don't have to worry about it getting stuck or anything like that. So that is how we use the crimp bead and covers. If you have any questions or any comments about anything or any requests for a video, like you need a demonstration about a certain whatever, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this was helpful, give it a like, share with your creative friends, invite them to our creative parties, and I will see you in the next video.